This month I've been exploring collaboration and managing conflict, and how it's important to have constructive conflict and constructive challenge in a team in order for it to truly collaborate. And it made me think about a recent example when I was doing some team coaching with a fellow coach, in which we were addressing the issue of collaboration and conflict based on the fact that it was a group of leaders within a sales organisation where there was conflict when client opportunities presented, which potentially sat across different teams that the leaders ran. And as such, there was conflict around who would take the client on and who would potentially recognise the revenue from it. So we ran a session around conflict and collaboration, but we didn't feel we'd quite cracked the nut. It looked at feedback and how to collaborate, etc., and was a bit more theoretical. So we needed to run a second session, and the second session we looked at was more practical. And one of the attendees from the group had actually been asked to write a code of conduct and the process that currently existed in terms of how these assessments should be made in terms of where clients fell within the teams. And we used that protocol and that process map, if you like, to run a session in which the attendees explored it and fed into the process and gave their ideas in terms of what they felt was missing or what they may, how they may enhance it. And it was great in the sense that it shifted from being this kind of combative environment to one in which they were aligning around how to best manage a process, which all of them felt frustrated with because it was creating emotional unrest, etc. And I just thought it was a lovely example of how coaching can potentially be used to explore these conflict situations and create greater collaboration within team working. So I hope you find that useful. And as always, if you've got any questions on the topic or on any other topics in relation to coaching, then please do get in touch.